Welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, QQQ, MULN, ABML, TXTM, GEGI, XCPL, and TSHA. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational education purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button, a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you can sign up for all of our alerts. We cover all of our alerts for our subscribers first before we talk about them on our regular videos. You can sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, will get the welcome email, which includes a link to download your free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Guys, our email, our text messaging service, and our ebook are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord chat rooms, no Telegram rooms whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Choppy day to start the week. SPY, I said 380 is the line in the sand. We need to close above 380. We're trading right here under 379. So tomorrow, this week, it's really going to be make or break. It's all about big earnings this week. A ton of earnings reports, particularly big tech. We got Microsoft, Google, Meta. So that is going to set the tone for the week. We have no Fed speakers, so certainly earnings is what everyone's going to be paying attention to see if the Fed rate hikes are impacting earnings and how companies are reacting. So if earnings and their outlook remains strong, we will get that big push through 380. So certainly keep your eye on the headlines in terms of earnings this week. But the big runners, we're getting a few this week. First up is Mullen. I've been pounding the table over this one for the past week now. And there's a lot to like. We've just been getting PR after PR. It started on the 19th. Mullen continues their acquisition path with purchase of ELMS assets, including factory in Mishawaka, Indiana, enabling EV production for retail and commercial vehicle lines. This new facility will allow the company to produce up to 50,000 vehicles per year. The company's cash on hand and funding commitment of up to $240 million provides the company with access of up to $275 million to close acquisition and fund vehicle development. And if you look, the company's market cap is just $191 million. Still major short position, 16.72% of the float is short. I think that's old data. I think it's much higher. Hopefully we get a gamma squeeze in MULN this week. Next resistance I see is at 75 cents. Above there, we're going to run all the way to $1.52. So really like the price action in Mullen, and really happy for people are finally catching this move that we've been looking for here in Mullen. Next up is ABML. Nice breakout today. Had big news last week. The company was selected for the U.S. Department of Energy grant for $115 million. This is for the first of a kind commercial scale lithium manufacturing facility. The CEO has met with Biden, Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm. Certainly a lot happening here in ABML. And with this recent chart breakout, finally on its way back to $1. So ABML is certainly one you should have on your radar screen. Next up is TXTM. Talked about this one over the weekend. The TXTM tribe continues to push this one higher, getting here ready for a major breakout. Just waiting for, I think the company's getting ready to do a major PR drop. So this is what has a lot of people really excited about TXTM. If you do the math, they have 5,000 hectares in South Africa for the growing of hemp and cannabis. If you do the math, the potential is enormous. And you know, just here at TXTM with trading here just over a penny, there's a lot more upside in TXTM. Next up is 2 00 plays that you need to have on your radar screen. First up is GEGI, closed up 24%. I said this one here is getting ready to make another major move, and the next one is XCPL here at 0.0059. These are both reverse merger plays. There's a lot happening in terms of behind the scenes. GEGI, they just new restricted shares. That's a sign that they're getting ready to do a big deal is about to happen. So certainly be watching the filings on GEGI and XCPL. There's a lot to really like about these two plays. And here, you know, the risk reward, you know, both trading in the double zeros, a lot more upside here in these two. But finally, guys, the one bonus penny stock that I really want to get into and talk about is TSHA. This is TSHA Gene Therapies. Has just a $61 million market cap, 52-week range of $1.35 to $17.10. We closed today at $1.51. This one here popped up on my radar for a couple of reasons. They had an offering that they were planning. They recently canceled that offering. Whenever a biotech cancels an offering, that's a sign that they got a major investor or partner that they're negotiating with, and they're just trying to wrap up the legal, and that is what happened with TSHA. And, you know, if you look at the market cap here, it's just 61 million. This is extremely cheap for a company with phase 2 drugs. Very cheap. If you look here, if you look at the analysts, I mean, this was just back in March. Robert W. Baird, they initiated coverage with an outperform rating, and they had a $26 price target. Prior to that, Wells Fargo had an overweight with just a $25 price target. So, you know, extremely cheap play. It's trading at just 0.92. They're cash, so they have over $70 million in cash. If you look at what they're working on in terms of treatments, they are Rett syndrome. That is a major it's a severe genetic neurodevelopmental disorder caused by a mutation in the X-linked MECP2 gene, which is essential for neuronal and synaptic function in the brain. This is one of the most common genetic causes of severe intellectual disability worldwide, and currently there are no approved therapies that treat the underlying cause of this progressive disease. For those of you that, you know, follow Anavex, AVXL, this is something that they're working on as well. But this one here, TSHA, is just extremely cheap. And they were out with a press release here in the after hours today. The company signed a deal with Astellas. Astellas is to invest a total of $50 million to acquire 15% of the company and to receive an exclusive option to obtain an exclusive license for TSHA-102 for Rett syndrome and TSHA-120 for giant axonal neuropathy. Stellas to receive certain rights related to any potential change of control of TSHA, and the company is also to receive one board observer seat on TSHA's board of directors. So big news here. I highly recommend you go and check out this recent PR drop. We are going to have a conference call in the morning at 8 a.m. to discuss this deal. We will be on this call. We will be updating our subscribers. This is certainly big news, and TSHA is one to have on your radar screen this week. We're expecting a major move. Sorry about that. Still have a dry cough. With that being said, I want to wish everyone good luck this week. Make sure you click that link in the description. Sign up. Don't miss any of our alerts. We have a lot of things on our radar screen, and if there's anything new in the pre-market, we will send out an alert. And again, the best part is completely free, guys, so we do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up in any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Want to wish everyone good luck this week. Let's make some money. Let's crush the shorts, particularly in Mullen. They're getting ready to let's get this gamma squeeze going. Let's get this major move happening, and let's crush this week. All right, guys. Good luck, everyone. I'll be coming live to you tomorrow after the bell with a new video update. Have a great day. Bye-bye.